Hi guys, I'm back with another mini. So I have two dip powders here from IGel Beauty, Caribbean Sea, and Soft and Timeless. And I will also be using the Odorless base coat from Color My World Dips, which is a shop on Etsy. So we're going to go ahead and get into this mani. Now I do have on some square full coverage soft gel nail tips from, I think these are from Tay, T-A-Y-E, which is a company on Amazon. And so I have a peel off base coat underneath those, and I did glue them on with Dashing Diva Fast Bond. So we're going to go ahead and get into this application. So yeah, just hang out with me. Now what I have noticed with the odorless dip liquid, when I have on nail tips, it dries a little bit faster than if I were doing this on my natural nails. And so I do end up putting a total of 3 coats of color on each nail, just to kind of build up that color just a little bit. It was good in 2 coats, but I just wanted to add 3 for whatever reason. And I'm using a little tasting spoon. I didn't need that little tasting spoon. I could have just laid my finger flat in that doggone dip powder. It was just doing too much. And so I do apply, like I said, 3 coats. Brush off excess dip powder before you go in with the second coat of dip base. And so I'm applying another thin layer to the nail, and before I place my brush back into the bottle, I am going to wipe that base brush off on a paper towel that I have off to the left that's kind of out of frame. And so I'm just repeating that process. And so with this particular mani, I did want to do some butterfly nails, but I couldn't decide if I wanted to do nail stickers versus nail stamping, because I've been receiving the Maniology subscription box for about 3 years now. 3, 4, and y'all don't see me do that much stamping. I do stamping, but not a whole lot. I do like stamping, and then I do like clear jelly stamper plates as well. Those are layering plates, and lately Maniology has been coming out with some plates that are layering plates as well. And so again, I applied that color Caribbean Sea, or Caribbean, however you want to say it, Caribbean, to those 2 nails. And then I go in with Soft and Timeless, which is a nude color, and I do 3 coats of color to the other nails. But I think I only filmed 1 nail, if I'm not mistaken, or I might have did 2. So after I get the dip color on all of the nails, I do go in with Color My World Dips Activator. I brush off excess dip powder from all of the nails. Then I go in with the activator and I apply that a generous amount to all of the nails. Now with the activator, this is what will harden the dip powder in preparation for fouling and buffing. And this is not a low odor activator. It is Color My World Dip's regular activator. They don't make a low odor activator. And so again, like I said, applying a generous amount to the nails, making sure to get that in between all of those dip powder layers. And then off camera, I do wait about maybe 5 minutes to let that activator do its job to harden or cure the dip powder. And then I will do my fouling and buffing off camera. So here are the nails after fouling and buffing. They're a little crusty looking because I didn't put any more lotion on there. And so I'm going in with this Maniology plate that came in, I think, the subscription box 2 months ago. It had 2 plates with butterflies all on it. And so I'm just going in. I thought this color here would look good. It's like a blue shimmer, and then I have a neon blue from Clear Jelly Stamper. And so I do have about 3 stampers ready to go because I'm going to stamp 3 separate images. Now first I did this color here, and so I was like, I scrape at an angle, and then I used the stamper to pick that up. Picked up fine, if I'm not mistaken. I was like, okay, that'll look good, that'll look good. Because again, I'm going to do some reverse stamping and color that in. I then go in and pick up the 2 additional butterflies using a separate stamper for each image. So after I get the images on the stamper, I'm going in with the lint roller. You got to be careful because you'll end up taking away some of that image. I'm going in with the Neon 6 from Clear Jelly Stamper and applying that to my stamping plate. And then I'm going in with a kind of short nail brush. This came in, I think, another Maniology subscription box quite some time ago. And I'm just coloring that image in. You want to make sure it dries, but the image dries before you do this. You want to make sure that you have enough polish on your brush as well. And so I'm just coloring that in. You can flip the stamper over just to check the image. Now once I colored this particular one in with that first kind of glittery blue black color, when I flipped it over, I did not like it. I did not like it. I probably could have got away with it, but I did not like it. So I end up stamping in black. That's why I got all this black here. I end up stamping in black off camera, all 3 images, and then I'm just going to recolor that in. Now once I get, and I don't show all images colored in on camera, once I get all of the images colored in, I do place the stampers in front of my USB desk fan to give that some time to dry. Now the Neon 6 was the closest color or shade that I had that went with Caribbean Sea from IGel Beauty, that dip powder color. And so once the image has dried, all 3, kind of messed my thumb up a little bit, I go in with Maniology's sticky base coat, because when you do reverse stamping you need sticky base coat or some type of gel base coat to allow that image to transfer on the nail. So here are all of the stampers. I'm going in again with my sticky base coat and I'm applying that to the nude nails. And I give that about maybe 45 to 60 seconds to dry using my USB fan to help aid in the drying process. I just want that sticky base coat to become tacky. And so once that becomes tacky, I'm going to transfer the image from the stamper to my nail just by pressing and holding. got some time to dry, I'm going in with the first image. Just press and hold it on the nail. The sticky base coat is going to do its thing, but you want to press long enough to make sure that that image transfers. And I'm repeating that process. Now, for whatever reason, on my ring finger, I had black on my nail. I don't know. It wasn't until I went to put my top coat on that I saw it. Now, with this thumbnail, I messed it up. And when I say I messed it up, it was that cuticle area. It became real janky, especially when I went to clean up that excess polish off the nail. Now, I don't know why I was pressing so hard, like it was not going to go on the nail, but that's how you end up splitting your stamper head. But anyway, and so I'm going in with this wavy rhinestone mix that I got from Scatter Crystals. I think they went out of business, I think. And I'm going in with 𝑘𝑛𝑖 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉 base coat, and I'm applying a thin layer to all of the nails. And I'm just applying some rhinestones that was in that mix. No rhyme or reason, just picking up a rhinestone and placing it on the nail. Now, before you coat the nails, since I am using gel, I try not to go too much or apply too much pressure when I'm polishing over the image, because I don't want to smear it. Even though I do believe it's thoroughly dry, I don't want to take any chances. So once I get the base coat applied to the nails and my rhinestones placed, I do cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. So after they have cured, I'm going in with 𝑘𝑛𝑖 Diamond top coat. This is a no wipe top coat, and I'm applying a layer to all of the nails, and I do not apply it on top of the rhinestone or the crystal, because you don't want it to lose its shine. I'm trying to go around it and around the back edge of that to the best of my ability without getting that on my skin. However, if you do get it on your skin, you can just use a nail brush or an orange wood stick to clean that up. Now with my thumbnail, once I get to it, I don't know if I filmed that off camera, but you can kind of see on the side there's some little smearing and on the free edge, but I thought it was pretty. I want to do this same kind of set, but I want neon butterflies on all of the nails, because I do have a neon stamping set from Clear Jelly Stamper, and I saw an inspo picture on Pinterest that I want to try to recreate. But anyway, so once I get that cured, you want to apply some cuticle oil. I'm going to lotion my hand up and apply some cuticle oil because it looks crusty. So guys, please like this video. If you found value, leave a comment. Let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Nails are nice, cute, and shiny.